I'm Halima from CRC. I teach science and mathematics.
This time we've come here to do two teacher development workshops. One was looking at teaching history and social sciences, and the other one was looking at using technology in the classrooms.
Today the workshop was about the use of technology inside the classroom, and since Damien was our instructor and he was telling us all about the uses of technology inside the class and how to engage technology along with our subjects.
So that will run actually faster than this. Yes?
So my name's Dr. Damien Ma. I'm a lecturer from University of Technology, Sydney. I work in the School of Education and I teach undergraduate students, pre-service teachers. And the focus of my research is mostly in the field of educational technologies.
Today it was interesting for me that being a teacher is not just give information to your students. You can make them think how to think critically, and by using of their ideas, you can teach them and you can lead the class.
Children need to be critical thinkers and creative. So what I tried to do was to give them a background, a little bit of a background into that learning, and then to try and apply it to a global situation. I'm one of these people who believes very much that teachers are about teaching young people to be global citizens.
One of the purpose of the workshop, I could say, that was the connection between the schools, to bring them close together and to build a good relationship with the other schools that are working for the refugees. It was such a good environment actually, yeah. I would like to thank all the UTS teachers who come all the way from Australia. They bring very effective and useful resources from Australia.